How to send text messages on Zengi application. Are you guys facing issues to send text messages to your contacts? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zengi app on your mobile device. Once you open the Zengi app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to log in on Zengi app, then make sure to check out our guide on how to log in on Zengi application. After you get logged in, now select the contact that you want to text. Now look at the top of your screen where you can see the option for call, video and chat. You are looking to send text, right? Select the last option, chat. Look at the bottom of your screen where you can see the option for enter a message. Click on it. Now select the message that you want to send. After you click on send, your text message will be sent to the selected contact. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna send text messages on Zengi application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.